Hello everyone, I'm Alham and today I'm gonna talk about a very important step that when you wanna get a job you should have it, and it's resume. This is my resume 2 years ago when I didn't know anything about building a good resume and show my capabilities, and this is my resume now. Just compare them. So I spent a lot of time to learn how should I write a good resume, and today in this video I'm explaining all those information to you guys. So please subscribe and leave some comments as your feedback to me. It's so precious for me. Okay, let's see what I have here. In the right side, I have my resume 2 years ago, and I couldn't believe that how I applied for some positions and I got them. It's too long, my God. And in the right side, I have it in 2 pages, which is the optimal pages that when you want to write a resume. If you see in many in many job announcement, they already mentioned that please submit at most 2 pages of your resume. So it means that you need to summarize your information. But how? Should I just omit some of my papers or some of my abilities and skills? No, I say no. You need to use all the spaces that you already have in a Word. And here I highly suggest that use 2 column templates, because already you can somehow summarize all of your information and use all the spaces that you already have. Okay, that's the first point. So what's the second point? The second point is that when you want to apply for academic position, the idea is that you want to impress them as a research person. So you need to express and mention that this is my publication, my research abilities, including any publication, education, and any tools that I'm good at them, and then go to the job experience. In the other round way, so when you want to apply for industry-based jobs, you need to first mention your work experience, and you maybe probably don't need to even mention your education. What's that? You need to mention what tools you got at that your education. So basically this resume is for applying for a job. So I already mentioned the education and then going to the research interest, because it's somehow for getting internship position. It's something in the middle of industry and academic, so it's kind of difficult to explain that, but I'm saying that again. For job positions, for industry position, first mention your experience in job, and then for academic position, mention your publication, education, and tools that you have learned. Okay? And also follow me now. Okay, the other differences, which is very weird, and I didn't know why I did that, is that I didn't mention my skills there. I just somehow mentioned that, for example, what are the potential projects that I have participated here, but I didn't mention what are the abilities or tools that I got from them. So here I just summarize all the research experience, including all the even project that I did in my bachelor or my master, and I just, for example, in the right side, I just mentioned the name of them, and it's too long, so I summarized them in the left side, and I just said that, for example, I have learned MATLAB, V, WaterGems, or any other software or tools that I got. The other thing that is important that I already consider it into both resumes is that when you're expressing that I did some works, you need to mention from when to when. And if I find it here, yeah. For example, in both resume, you can see that I specifically mentioned that, for example, this job is started from January 2024 and goes on present, something like that. Mention the duration that you have worked in some specific place. Don't forget to leave some comment and feedback for me. The other point is that when you are mentioning your publication, absolutely you need to hyperlink the name of publication, and it goes directly to the site and to the journal sites. That's so helpful. For example, I can just click on it, read your abstract, and see that is there any possible collaboration between me and you or not. Okay, guys, the last point is that just mention some references for your resume. If you don't have any references, I mean someone that they can communicate with them via email, something like that, your resume is not valid. So you need to have someone to validate your resume and your abilities. Thank you for watching that, and stay tuned for other videos that I'm gonna post about how make LinkedIn professional. Subscribe, follow, share. Thank you.